Hi friends, this is your week 16 fall semester review. If you need to pause this video, you can. If you need to rewind or fast forward, you can also do that. Question 1. Match the organelle with the organ system that has a similar function. Mitochondria. Digestive and excretory systems. Chloroplast. Integumentary system. Digestive system. Circulatory system. Nervous system. Skeletal system. Cytoplasm. Digestive and excretory systems. Chloroplast. Integumentary system. Digestive system. Circulatory system. Nervous system. Skeletal system. Nucleus. Digestive and excretory system, chloroplast, integumentary system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system. Cell membrane. Digestive and excretory system, chloroplast, integumentary system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system. Vacuole. Digestive and excretory system, chloroplast, integumentary system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system. Cell wall. Digestive and excretory system, chloroplast, integumentary system, digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system. Question 2. Providing a cell with the protection of flexible covering is the job of the cell membrane in the same way that the blank system provides a flexible covering for the body. Skeletal, muscular, integumentary, respiratory. Question 3. Place the structures with the correct system. Nervous system, endocrine and reproductive systems. Your possible answers: testes, neurons, nerves, pancreas, thyroid, glands, hormones, uterus, brain, spinal cord. Question 4. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Making blood cells, protecting internal organs, obtaining oxygen, providing shape and support for the body. Question 5. Complete the statement from the drop-down menu. Nutrients and gases diffuse, exchange in the arteries, veins, capillaries. Question 6. Which organelle has no comparison to an organ system? Vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, cell wall. Question 7. An organelle is a small structure inside a cell that has a specific job, a cell wall with a nucleus, a group of cells that work together to perform a specific job, or a cell wall with no nucleus. Question 8. Neurons embedded in the skin allow you to sense pressure, temperature, and pain. This is an example of which systems working together. Circulatory and integumentary, integumentary and respiratory, integumentary and nervous, circulatory and respiratory. Question 9. Plants and animals are, choose your answer, tissue, living, basic, organ, organism, system, cells, organisms. All organisms are made of organ, living, organism, cells, basic, system, tissue. A collection of similar cells are known as system, basic, living, organ, cells, tissue, organism. When two or more types of tissues work together for the same purpose, they create an organ, living, cells, tissue, basic, organism, system. An organ, cells, organism, organ, living, basic, system, tissue, is a combination of several organs that perform together for a common function. There are 11 major organ systems that work together to allow an basic system, living, organism, cells, organ, tissue to survive. When examining the organization of the body, the cell is the most organ, living, tissue, cells, organism, basic, system unit of life. The organism is the most complex of the organization levels. Which muscle group or groups are continuously working automatically? Involuntary, cardiac, smooth, skeletal. Question 11. Nutrients enter the body through the digestive system, but oxygen enters through your circulatory, muscular, respiratory system. Drag and drop the levels of organization in order from least complex to most complex. Least complex, most complex, cells, tissues, organ systems, organs, organism. Question 13. Which systems work together to move oxygen around the body? The muscular, respiratory, and circulatory systems, only the respiratory and circulatory systems, only the circulatory and muscular systems, the respiratory, circulatory, and skeletal systems. Select all of the structures that are part of the circulatory system. Choose all that apply. Veins, blood, arteries, heart, capillaries. Which system of the human body is in control of the slow, long-term processes such as growth and sexual development? The circulatory system, the nervous system, the endocrine system, the skeletal system. The basic unit of life is called a compound, nucleus, cell, atom. Put each structure in the correct category. Joint, bone shape, connector. Possible answers: irregular, fixed immovable, gliding, hinge, pivot, tendon, short, ligament, long, ball and socket, cartilage, flat. Which type of muscle tires quickly during exercise? Cardiac muscle, all of them, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle. The excretory system is responsible for filtering the blood and removing waste products. Those waste products are removed in the form of sweat, urine, chyme, carbon dioxide. Which organelle controls the processes of the other organelles? Mitochondria, nucleus, chloroplast, cell membrane. Nerve cells are among the largest cells in the human body. What is the specialized function of nerve cells? To support and protect the internal organs, to carry messages throughout the body, to facilitate movement, to exchange carbon dioxide for oxygen. Place each organism in the correct category. Heterotroph, autotroph. Possible answers: rocks, water, worms, frogs, pecan trees, cactus, people, air, cats, algae, flowers. What two systems work together to keep the body oxygenated? Circulatory and respiratory, respiratory and muscular, circulatory and nervous, muscular and circulatory. What should you do if you drop a break a test tube? Sweep it up and throw it away? Kick the pieces of glass under the table? Don't do anything? Tell your teacher immediately. Blood cells are made in the compact bone, periosteum, marrow, spongy bone. The digestive system has functions that are similar to the cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, and the chloroplast, vacuole, cell membrane. Breaking down nutrients into smaller molecules is the main function of the digestive system. Another function is to recycle liquid waste, expel liquid waste, recycle solid waste, expel solid waste. Mr. Lewis wants his science lab to be safe. What safety equipment should he add to his classroom? Safety shower, lab table, science textbook, fire extinguisher, eye wash station, safety shower, eye wash station, fire extinguisher, chairs, microscopes, towels, lamps. Neurons rapidly communicate information throughout the body. Neurons combine to form tissue in the organ known as the brain. Neurons are classified as tissues, organs, organ systems, cells. Which of the following is not a characteristic that prokaryotes and eukaryotes share? They are both living organisms. They both have a cell membrane. They both have genetic material. They both are single-celled organisms. Identify the three statements of cell theory. Choose three. All cells come from pre-existing cells. Cells are the basic units of life. Cells are too small to see without a microscope. All living things are made of cells. The largest organ of your body is your blank. Heart, lungs, stomach, skin. The chloroplast converts and releases energy for the cell in the same way that the digestive system converts and releases energy for the body. True, false. The waste product released by the respiratory system is dihydrogen monoxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Submit.